And so I just want you to know that if you hit a rock bottom moment, it is not the moment to give up. Okay? It's not the moment to give up. It's the moment to recognize that you have nothing left to lose. It is the moment to say, okay, what am I going to be willing to do that I have not been willing to do up until now? So that you can do it, because you have everything that you need here, everything that you need here to have the success that you want. And there's zero question in my mind about whether you can do it. You might have question in your mind about whether you can do it. But what I found out from my own experience of rock bottom and from the experience of these lawyers that were in the practice management mastermind today, all of who have had their bounce backs, is that it does require a shift of your mindset. And I remember a time when I knew I had a bad mindset. I knew it. And I felt completely stuck in it because nobody could seem to tell me, what does it mean to shift my mindset? What does it mean? We hear this out there. We got to shift our mindset, but what does it actually mean? What I discovered is that it's not as hard as we make it. It's not as hard as we make it. All that it means is, first of all, recognizing it. Recognizing, gosh, my mindset is really getting in the way. I want to make a shift. I want to shift my mindset. Okay, great. Wonderful first step. The next step then is to stop entertaining the thoughts of quitting or giving up. Stop entertaining those thoughts. Those thoughts of quitting or giving up are sucking your life force energy. They are what's getting in your way. And so anytime that you recognize those thoughts coming up, maybe I should quit, maybe I should give up, maybe I can't do this, maybe this isn't for me, whatever the thoughts are, first of all, it's important to recognize them. So me saying them might help you to recognize them. But anytime that you have those thoughts, notice them, thank them, as they're actually trying to help you. Your mind isn't against you. It's actually trying to help you. It's trying to save you from something. It's trying to save you from disappointment or something that maybe you're going to need to do in order that is scary to do, like go out and talk to people in your community or do a webinar or reach out to referral partners, right? And those things can be scary to do, but you're going to need to do them in order to be in business successfully, in order to educate your community. So recognize that your mind is trying to keep you safe from your own next level. Thank it. And then do the thing that you are afraid to do. Do the thing that you are afraid to do. Take the next step. Make the next investment of your time, energy, attention, or money to tell your mind, right? Because you need to retrain your mind. That's really what mindset is. It is a retraining of your mind. And if you let your mind be in control, which we're really good at because we're lawyers, which makes us extra mind-oriented usually, extra intelligent usually, which means our minds are very strong. I don't know if you've ever looked around and seen people in business who you know are not as smart as you doing better than you. And you're like, how come they're doing better than me, even though I'm smarter? I've definitely had those thoughts. It's because their mind isn't as strong. So we've got really strong minds. We need to take control of our minds and put our minds into service towards what we want. And that does require seeing and recognizing the thoughts that come up that are in the way and letting your mind know who's actually in control. Who's actually in control is the you that is greater than your mind. Because of course there is a you that is greater than your mind. It's the you that's hearing those thoughts. It's the you that is hearing those thoughts. So if you can recognize that there is a you, an observer that is hearing those thoughts, then you can recognize that you are not those thoughts.